passengers and were sent into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and unlocked the night run. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you.
This is crazy. I'm more worried about this.
About to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Here we go. Oh God. Holy.
A warm welcome back for those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent